it like I am so right now. And here we're just taking 2 simple steps. First one to the very edge, second thing 2 hands in this part, and a big and simple step up.
Sure.
Please don't see the squat or run or jump, and you'll be fine. This is 2 miles an hour. It's like an elevator without the box. I think everybody can handle that, right?
Yeah.
Great. So 2 hands here, step to the edge, and see you down.
You going first? I guess so. It's alright, guys.
We already started now.
Yeah, it's super slow, guys. As he was saying, it's not like a bungee jump. You didn't pay for that. Super slow. In case you don't want to step up, I'm here. I'll push you off. You going together?
Yeah.
Come on. Just wait for her. Ready? For the purple part. Walk to the edge. Let's do it. Let's do it. Don't pull it out.
Oh.
Just keep the purple up. Come on.
Oh boy, I don't know.
You can do that.
I don't know about this.
Ready?
Can I take the stairs?
No, they're down for me. 1, 2, 3, step up.
My heart rate told me it was up.
Oh boy.
Be ready to pick up some more speed. This line might be faster than the first one. I'm not sure. Could be. If you're looking to have a nice view on your right side, downtown Gatlinburg, and a bunch of parking lots, you might be able to see a DUI in progress. Who knows? Happens every day.
5 o'clock somewhere.
Yeah. If you all feel like you're a pro by now, let go, upside down, strike a pose, do stupid things, it's okay. You all signed the waiver.
No supervisors around here.
Yeah, no supervisors, you're a free soul. Not like that.
Whatever. Children. You see? I gotta work with them the whole day.
How do you think it?
I don't know. Dominicans.
1, 2, 3, go!
Good job. Got it.
Hold on to the rope right here, step on the box right there. Alright guys. We got good and bad news now for y'all. Which one would you like to hear?
Good and bad?
How do you all make it?
I don't know.
Bad news, guys. This is your last zipline together with us.
I'm gonna keep inside here. Nugget.
Don't be mad at me, I just work here. Good news though, this is our fastest line. So,
That's kind of good news for you.
if you like speed, if you have some beef between each other, this is the perfect moment here. You all can see we're gonna go over the chairlift as well. We got people going up and down. If you took the chairs to come up, you know how boring it is. 20 minutes of your life you won't get back.
Whatever.
So when we go through, show them you're having way more fun than then, okay? Strike a pose, let go, scream like crazy. They don't know if you're having fun or a panic attack. You hear that? Maybe both. Maybe both. The only thing we'll ask you for, guys, don't pee on those people. Like, seriously, has happened before.
Wait.
We don't want complaints. Yeah. There was a lady that couldn't wait. It's alright. It's just
South shower.
They thought it was raining.
They really thought it was raining. It was not. Now, on a serious note, as you all can see, your next ramp is way higher than the ones that you used to so far. That means it's closer to the line and the cables. Oh, that being said, legs up as high as you can. If you come with your legs down for our taller ones here, you might.
You play too much, I'm telling you.
Oh my god.
That's a sample that what could happen.
Yeah, you might smack your legs into the ramp, okay? I've seen it 100 times. They say, yeah, I'm gonna put my legs up. They don't do it and boom.
Yeah.
You guys can take it from me. I used to be 6'9" before. Yeah, way taller.
I used to have a tattoo right here, and now it's like over there.
That's what I'm saying. They never listen.
No,
I'm sorry.
we're different. It's not working.
What?
Oh!
Oh Lord. You see? Oh babe. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Let's get a
That was great stuff. Hold on to this.
Got a bump on you and first quick, but then gonna I don't let you know. I'm gonna lose there. She's fine.
I just gotta look there and not there.
Not there, you're right. Purple fine?
Right?
Good purple.
Whenever.
Right.
Alright, 10.
Oh!